Transforming that incredible Costco salmon into restaurant-quality sushi at home is surprisingly achievable, and we're diving in right now. First, let's talk salmon when you pick up that beautiful Kirkland signature salmon from Costco. Look for a bright, clear, almost translucent color. It should have a firm texture. Springing back when you gently press it, avoiding any fishy odor, is key to that fresh sushi flavor. Next up, the foundation sushi rice. Use short-grain sushi rice. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, which is crucial for that perfect sticky texture. Cook it according to your rice cooker's instructions, or on the stovetop until tender and fluffy. While the rice is still hot, it's time for the seasoning in a separate bowl. Gently mix sushi vinegar, which is rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. You can find pre-made sushi vinegar or make your own. Don't overheat it. Just warm it enough to dissolve the sugar and salt. Gently transfer your hot cooked rice into a wide, shallow bowl. Drizzle the seasoned sushi vinegar over the rice now. Using a flat spatula or rice paddle, gently cut and fold the vinegar into the rice. This is a delicate process to avoid mushing the grains as you mix. Fan the rice with a piece of cardboard or a fan. This helps cool it down quickly and gives it that signature glossy sheen. Now for the star ingredient, our salmon. Carefully slice it into thin, even strips or bite-sized pieces, depending on your desired sushi style for rolls. Aim for about a 1/4 inch thickness. And here's our trusty bamboo rolling mat. This will be your best friend for creating perfect sushi rolls. Lay a sheet of nari, shiny side down, onto your bamboo mat. Lightly dampen your hands to prevent the rice from sticking, and spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over the nari, leaving about a 1/2 inch border at the top. Place your beautiful salmon strips horizontally across the rice, closer to the bottom edge. Now lift the edge of the bamboo mat nearest to you, gently rolling it upwards and over the salmon, tucking it in. Continue to roll, using the mat to apply even pressure and shape your roll into a tight cylinder. Once you reach the top border, moisten it slightly with water to help seal the roll. Using a very sharp knife, lightly dipped in water to prevent sticking, slice your roll into bite-sized pieces, and there you have it. Gorgeous, homemade sushi made with incredible Costco salmon. Ready to impress and delight. Enjoy your delicious and affordable sushi creation.